Up next, another story not to be missed.
Participating in a clinical trial can empower you to take an active role in managing your health while also contributing to advancements in medical research. At the Advanced Clinical Institute, Inc., they aren't just in the business of research. They are in the business of hope. Hope for finding help, finding treatments, and finding cures.
While I used to go to work and treat patients with problems with known treatments, clinical trials are being advanced to find new treatments for problems we still need solutions for. We, in particular, at Advanced Clinical Institute, do trials in Alzheimer's disease. At present, there is only one treatment that exists on the market. We are in dire need to find new treatments. That's what we do here at ACI.
Many medical treatments are not attainable by the patients because of the cost. All of the medical treatment here for a study is completely free. And in addition to that, most of the studies will pay a stipend for both the caregiver and the patient. The clinical trials monitor a patient from the minute they walk in the door. We do all kinds of testing, which costs the patient absolutely nothing. And in many cases, they would not get the same care from their own physician, but they will get it here.
Clinical trials are essential for advancing medical science, improving patient care, and ultimately, hopefully, saving lives.
Patient safety is the #1 concern for both clinical site and sponsors who are sponsoring these clinical drug trials. We do monthly labs, we do EKGs. A doctor on site is always examining the patient neurologically, physically, and cognitively with assessments. There is also a third-party team in most cases that are reading these ECGs, reading these lab results, seeing if something comes up with the patient. There are multiple checkpoints that are making sure that these patients are absolutely 100% safe, and it is double-checked through multiple parties. Patient safety is a #1 concern when dealing with clinical trials.
By enrolling in a clinical trial, patients can potentially benefit from cutting-edge therapies that may not yet be available to the general public.
During clinical trials, it's easy to forget that this disease is not just affecting a patient, it is affecting a family as a whole. These people are coming to us looking for hope and looking for some kind of help because there is nothing available to them. Here at ACI, we try to calm everyone's nerves and make everyone feel included and heard.
I would say to an individual who's scared about potentially doing a clinical trial is you shouldn't be. You are in such good care here, better than you are in the hands of your own physician. And you can sit home and do nothing, or you can come here and try and do something and have hope.
Supporting the patient as well as the patient's family is very important to the team at Advanced Clinical Institute, Inc.
Very often, my cell phone, we joke, it has now become the Batman line or the work line. I'm available 24/7, whether it's through text, phone call, email. People will call me for the smallest things, but to them, because they're going through something so serious like a disease such as Alzheimer's with a loved one, it's a major deal. So if I can provide a safe space for them to be heard, feel heard, and get to some kind of resolution, it's very important that we make that happen here.
If not for patients who enter a clinical trial, we will not have any changes in the course of this disease. And they are willing, and they are the givers. We owe them a debt of thanks, all of us.
Advanced Clinical Institute, Inc. is making a difference now and for future generations.
We're very excited about our plans for the future. We have a state-of-the-art facility that is large enough that we can encompass new areas of disease states. So our plan is to branch out into those. We've already started hiring new physicians and additional site staff to support all of that.
As research continues to evolve in the world and the different aspects and how they treat people, how they test certain products, we here at ACI would also like to branch out and help multiple populations so we can really expand our reach in the community.
The biggest thing I can say about research, it gives us all hope. And that's one of the big things that we preface here is hope. Without the trials, there is none.
To learn more about Advanced Clinical Institute, visit the website at aciresearchgroup.com or see this segment again on thebalancingAct.com.